So 2006 Rocket 3 engine. I've crankshaft and everything out here. Case is split, transmission is out, clutch is out, the whole lot. Even missing an old piston. So what happened in this engine was, as you can see from, get this to focus, here, this being bent forward and scraped. Marks on the crankcase here, mark on the crankcase here. What happened was the bike was crashed. Anyway, it was stuck in 5th gear, so I must have crashed it in 5th gear. And this guy, focus on this camera is terrible. This guy is stuck. Moves in and out a little bit, but otherwise it's stuck. So I removed the output shaft and the input shaft. And here is my shifter drum. And my shifter drum, I think that's neutral. Works okay. Anyway, that's the way that works. But it's this shifter here is supposed to turn this drum. Look at this fella. Anyway, I'm wondering what's broken down around here. And I go to open this bolt to remove it, and guess what? The bolt is falling around in it. So I think that's the problem. I'm unthreading it here. Actually, let me tighten it up and see what happens. Or will it tighten up? That's it, tightened up. And now that sounds like neutral. Shifting gears like nobody's business.